On 19 December 2025, the government approved a cluster-based disaster-resilient Gram Panchayat model under the National Project for Strengthening Disaster Risk Reduction, or NPSTRR. NPSTRR is jointly implemented by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj and the National Disaster Management Authority, with an outlay of 507 crore rupees covering 81 disaster-prone districts in 20 states. Gram Panchayats, or GPs, will be developed in geographic clusters, allowing nearby villages to share resources, infrastructure, and disaster preparedness strategies. Disaster management plans will be integrated into Gram Panchayat Development Plans, or GPDPs. The initiative follows community-based disaster risk reduction, aligns with the Sendai framework, and complements India's Aapda Mitra volunteer program.